Hey y'all, it's Jadakiss and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I did this sleek braided ponytail. First, I flat ironed my hair. I'm doing a middle part, so I will be putting the back of my hair in a ponytail first. And the only thing that I'm using is She Is Bomb Edge Control. Now I am just applying the edge control in between the sections of my hair so that way everything lays down completely. Then I just brush everything in on this side, and I'm going to do the exact same on the other side. And so since my hair is short, I did decide to just wrap it up in a small bun. So I did use the free tress braiding hair, the one that comes with the 3 bundles. So what you want to do is just take one of those bundles out of the pack and connect it to your ponytail. Then what you're going to want to do is take a piece of hair and just wrap it around the base of your ponytail. Then go ahead and divide the hair into 3 sections and just start braiding like normal. I usually braid twice and then I feed in the hair. I know a lot of people don't know how to do like knotless braids or the feed-in method. So if you want a close-up video, just let me know in the comments. And I actually feed in my hair from the back because, I mean, that's just the way that works best for me. It's easier like that. I did use 6 pieces of hair, so with the 2 bundles that you have in the pack, you just want to divide those into 3 pieces both, so you'll have 6 pieces to feed in your braid with. I did decide to just braid my hair all the way down. And right here, I'm just taking my scissors and cutting some of the flyaways. And I'm just taking my mousse and going through the braids so everything can lay down.